Hello, I'm Dustseeker512, and in today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to set up the the Eclipse environment for modding with Minecraft Forge and Minecraft 1.6.1. Even though it's not really recommended as of right now, but it is still out, and you can still mod for it. So first things first, go to minecraftforge.net, which I'll put in the description, link to in the description, and go to Files. Once you're in the files and it loads up, and a weird ad on the side shows, you want to download the latest 1.6.1, which is even more updated than mine right now, and then click Source, or SRC, and then you'll be given an AdFly link and probably have to wait for 10 seconds. But while this is doing that, travel over to eclipse.org, and I'll also link this in the description. Go to Downloads, and then download if you have a 32-bit Windows, then download the 32-bit. If not, 64-bit. But don't get the standard 4.3. You want to get the Java Eclipse IDE for Java developers, and not this one, but this one. And make sure you download it for the appropriate version. It will give you a zip file, and unzip that anywhere, and double-click the Eclipse icon inside of that. The Eclipse icon will look like this, so, and I've already got it installed, or at least unzipped, and then downloaded, obviously. Okay, and then click here to continue. And right about now, skip ad, and it'll start to download it. Once it is finished downloading, open it up and right click on it and cut, or copy rather. Right click, copy, and I'm going to go to my Java projects folder. It's a folder where I keep like all my projects for Java in. I'm going to create a new directory, or folder anyways, and then I'm going to call this Minecraft. Is on your radar? Yeah. And then go into the directory and right click and paste the Forge folder. Now this will take a second. Well, that's cool. And so I will be back whenever. Or that's actually, I forgot the keys, and it's not coming up. No, don't do this. Whatever. Background. Okay, so I hope it is this button. And now once that's done, and I'm just making sure I actually, yes I do, yay. Okay, go into the Forge directory, and if you are using actually let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, if you are using a operating system that is not Windows, then you want to use the install.sh. Otherwise, you want to use the install.cmd, or if it just install, it'll have this icon or something really similar to it. So I'm just going to double click that, and it's going to download MCP and everything it needs to. It's also going to make sure all the files are correct, as well as patch Minecraft and so on. So I will be back when this is done, and this does take a while. So if you've been waiting for like 5 minutes and it's still not doing anything, just wait longer. It will eventually get done. Alright, so I'll be back whenever it's done. And now it's done, so I'm going to hit like space. And then, so go into the MCP folder and right click and. Okay, anyways, when you get in here, right click on Eclipse and copy this, or you could cut it, whichever. And then go back into the Forge directory, and then into up again, and into the Minecraft directory, and then paste it here. Now this is going to be the folder that we go into whenever we open up Eclipse, but we're not going to be opening up Eclipse right now. I just realized I didn't have Git installed on my I suck. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I'll be putting up all of the source code on GitHub. So you can go to github.com and then set up Git, and then it takes you to this place, and then just click on this, and then it'll open up and hit install. Wait for the X amount of time it takes to install. It doesn't take me that long, so I'll just make you guys watch through this. Yeah, let's go, bar. No, don't slow down. Keep going. No, no, yes, no, yes, yes, yes. Oh, come on. Well, you gotta stop. Come on, bar. You're almost done. And it's done. Nope, it's preparing it. Okay, I won't make you watch it. Hello? Hello? Okay, I'll be back whenever I figure stuff out. Okay, so then you can connect, configure, and repository. So I'm just going to log in. And so I guess you can use this without having to worry about anything. So, on GitHub, I will post the link to this to where this is at, but in my GitHub account, and then I've already created a repository, which you can create a repository by clicking this and then giving it a name, initialize it, and add a git ignore. But I don't want to do that because I've already gotten this in here. So you suck. Anyways, so now I'm just going to download this with that whenever it gets done. So I'll be back whenever this is done extracting. And so I'm totally guessing at all of this, but I'm going to click over here and not death. No, no. Yes, this one. I'm going to clone this. What? I don't get to say where to clone this? Yay! Tools. Settings. Cancel. Open Explorer. Oh, that's cool. It doesn't even have to be there anyways, but I right click, copy, and I guess into I don't like that. Projects, Minecraft, right click, delete you, right click, paste shortcut, and voila. Hopefully that'll work. Please work. Anyways, now I'm just going to close out of this, minimize that, close out of this, and open up Eclipse. Okay, and then once it's done, click Browse and change it to Minecraft and Eclipse and OK. And OK again. And I'll be back when it's loaded. And so I'm just going to maximize this. And it says there are issues with Minecraft. That's was to be expected. So right click on it and properties. Go to resource, linked resource, change MCP location to just hit edit, and then put a / if this is a / then use that. If it's not, well, use whatever it is. And then so this will take us to here. So from here we got to go to forge / MCP. And okay, that will fix those issues. So if I hit OK, right click and refresh, and run background. I will be going through on setting the rest of this up. Now, I'm going to change the appearance to the Chrome theme, and then from the Chrome theme, which you can download this through the Eclipse Marketplace, you can change it. I have a specific preset I like, so that's what I'll be using. And then in color theme, which you can also get from the Eclipse Marketplace, Sublime Text 2, and OK, and close preferences. Now, if you wonder where that's at, if you click help, there's the Eclipse Marketplace. Anyways, window preferences, I'm going to also set up the Java, whatever it's called. So going to Java code style formatter. Now I have a specific formatting thing I like, so I'm just going to import that. Okay, and edit it. That way you can see what it does. So the only thing I really changed is I changed tab policy to spaces only. Spaces are always going to be the same size. However, a tab would look different declaring on the operating system. I also went over to line wrapping. I changed it from 80 to 800. And control statements, I keep the simple if on a single line, put a line in front of everything. And indentation, switch, statements within switch and case bodies. Oh, that's pretty much it. And then I'm going to hit OK. And then cleanup as well. So import import style. Okay. And that is pretty much that change. So edit. I make it to where whenever I do the cleanup, it formats the source code, which that automatically corrects the indentation. It organizes the imports. It always puts a block around everything, and so on. It adds that override and that deprecated annotations, and so yeah, that's it. So I'm going to hit OK. And file and restart. And so once this restarts, which it only takes a second. Well, actually, I'll be back whenever it's done. And it's done. Now if we go in here, source, and wow, there's a lot of these. Like, yeah, that's like a really large amount. So what I do to fix that is I click the view menu button, which is by the link with editor. Man, this looks so different. And go to package presentation and change it to hierarchical. That way it makes it this small. And then now if you hit net, then it'll go to Minecraft, and then client, and so on. And also, I generally don't like the task list to be open and outline to be over here, under here, under here. There we go. That was hard to see. And then, it's just, I'm not used to this huge screen. So yeah, I got a new laptop. It's a Dell Inspiron 15. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to right click, new Java project. It's a lot better than netbook. Anyways, and then the name of the project. So I'm just going to put Forge 1.6.1 modding tutorial. Then I will hit finish. And now it's got the source folder. I'm going just to delete that. And okay. And now that I think about it, okay, I am going to have to go into the GitHub place, or because we created a link, Java projects, Minecraft, use the link. I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call this common. And this is where all the source code is going to go, this one folder. Then I'll create a new folder, and I'm going to call this resources. If I could spell. And this is where like all the textures are going to go. Yeah. So now if I do right click, new folder, then advanced, link to alternate location, browse, Deathseeker, Java projects, Minecraft. Oh wow, it's not in there. Never mind. So not Java projects, but GitHub, wherever that might have my documents. GitHub. Okay, yeah, my documents, GitHub, Minecraft, common, and then finish, and do the same thing. New folder, advanced, link to alternate location, browse, same place, my documents, GitHub, resources, okay, finish, right click on, and then new source folder, and cancel, right click, build path, use as source folder, right click, build path, use as source folder. Don't ask why the resources has to, it just does, for whatever reason. Now if we do right click, properties, we are going to have to edit the build path a little bit, and by going into projects and then add Minecraft, okay, and libraries, add add library, user libraries, cancel. Okay, so add jars, Minecraft. Oh boy. Jars, libraries, Argo. Okay, there has got to be a better way to do this, but if there's not, I'll be back after I expand everything. And so now that everything inside of jars is expanded, I am going to left click and control on all of this. We might not need it now, but we might need it later. Did not just do that. So let me go through and not copy, but highlight all of these. Now, whenever I said all of them, I did mean everything that was inside of jars, except whatever was inside of version. So it's got all of this, and then hit OK. And so that has all of these, and then OK. Now go to this, left click there, run configurations. Left click on client, right click on it, and duplicate. Change this to modded, and then I'll just do _C so that I know it's the modded server. And then the only things you need to change, well, yeah, okay. Change this to wherever you would like it to be, because I'm kind of resource heavy, because I can be nowadays, because I got 6 gigs of RAM. Oh, this probably should be 2 or 1. And then in class path, you want to add projects and Forge modding tutorial, or whatever you named it anyways, and then delete this bottom Minecraft. And yeah, because we already have Minecraft up here. So then if I hit apply, I can close that. And actually, let me run Minecraft just to make sure it's actually running. Just because I like it over here, I click the minimize button. But as you see, Minecraft is actually running. I don't know why I'm waiting till the window pops up, but I'm apparently waiting until the window pops up. And it's done. Now mods, we have the Minecraft Forge mods. Done. Quick game. Alright, so now let's just make sure that we can access everything inside of this Minecraft project. So I'm going to create a new class. I'm going to name it, whatever. And I will hit finish. And inside of this, I've got to save that. Windows, preferences, general, appearance, no, sorry. Yeah, Chrome theme, other, none. Right click. Apply, close. Okay, so let's just do something really simple. Extends block. And then import that. And from net Minecraft block. And put a space here. So as you can see here, we can obviously grab everything that's inside of Minecraft. And so I guess that's the end of this tutorial. If it helped you at all, give it a like. If it didn't, well, they have another button for a reason. Just use it. I don't care. If you want to see more by me, subscribe. Have a good day or night or whatever time it is. I guess it really just depends on when you're watching this video. Alright, but most importantly, everybody, have fun and take care. Bye.